Now, no officer was forcefully evicted from the Falomo Barracks in Lagos State. First Public Relations Officer Olumuyiwa Adejobi at a briefing in Abuja says the occupants were given adequate notice, provided relocation assistance and compensation with 200,000 naira each to secure alternative accommodation.
Our police personnel have access to adequate barracks accommodations, with 90% of existing barracks falling into severe disrepair. Many of these structures are dangerously unsafe, posing a clear risk to occupants. The urgent reconstruction of these facilities, including Falomo Barracks, is not only necessary, but aligned with international best practices to ensure the safety and well-being of our officers.
The officers, he says, are also expected to receive monthly rent allowances in line with provision for officers not residing in the barracks. Upon completion of the new facility, these officers will be allotted housing unit, ensuring a seamless transition to improved living conditions.